The affordable iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2, and the new iPad Pro are on the way. Named the traditional spring presentation Apple. As you know, Apple traditionally holds in March the presentation of its new products. Last year, the Spring Apple event, which was entirely devoted to new services, was held on March 25. According to data from supply chain representatives, this year Apple scheduled a presentation for March 31st. We immediately mentioned that this date has not yet been officially confirmed. But, as a rule, such leaks on the eve of sending invitations from the Cupertino giant always turn out to be true. The central place in the upcoming presentation of Apple's new products is given to the low-cost smartphone iPhone 9, aka iPhone SE 2, which has been talked about more and more recently, hotly expected by many Apple fans. According to the latest data, Apple will bet on accessibility in the iPhone 9, setting the starting price at $400. The iPhone SE started at the same time. The iPhone SE's ideological successor will receive an old-fashioned iPhone 8 design with a home button with a built-in Touch Idaho fingerprint scanner, but it will stand out with the modern SoC A13. Supplemented with 3GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal flash memory. Informed informants also claim that in addition to the iPhone 9, the upcoming presentation will also show the new iPad Pro, the one with the triple main camera in the style of the iPhone 11, and the 13-inch MacBook Pro laptop. All new items should go on sale on April 3rd. You can also recall the long-awaited augmented reality headset. But, focusing on the latest data, Apple has postponed the release of the first AR headset until 2022, and the release of more compact augmented reality glasses, until 2023.